this morning. We need a freaking tripod. You'd think at the YouTube headquarters we had a fucking tripod. You'd also think I would, but I don't. It's my fault. Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. My name's Alexis Barber, I'm 22, I live in Brooklyn. I work full-time in big tech here. I'm also a content creator. Oh, Vlogmas is happening. Today is Friday, December 3rd. I have not even had a sip of coffee yet. A huge meeting in 5 minutes that I've been preparing for, which I didn't vlog getting ready or anything this morning because we also had that dinner last night. Go watch the past vlogmases if you don't know what I'm talking about. But it was an open bar and I had 3 drinks and that's not too many, but it is enough to make me feel like a little woozy this morning, plus me being congested. I have had my green juice and my coffee. Vlogmas footage is uploaded. I haven't made up today. The agenda for today is I'm going to either do a YouTube office tour because it's Friday, no one's here, or do a like how I got my job here type of video. Then we have a little creator my team's called Creator Solutions, and we're doing a little gift exchange, which is really cute. Then I'm going to get my nails fixed after work. Not fixed, but get my birthday nails after work. And then Jeff and I are gonna go shopping. And one thing about me and Jeff is we are opposites when it comes to shopping. Like, we're not what you would expect from a couple. Like, you know when like you always see the boyfriend waiting for the girlfriend shopping? I'm the boyfriend in that situation. This man takes 45 years to make one decision, and I actually can't handle it. I'm so impatient that like I usually can't go with him, but I'm trying to be patient because he is leaving soon and he's gonna be gone for a few weeks, and I do want to spend time with him. But girl, what? Figure it out faster. So I'm gonna have this big meeting. Pray for me that it goes well. Love you. See you soon. To the YouTube office here in New York City. This is a little bit of an area where we just like sit and work. It's a common area, and YouTube only has 1 floor, so it's not like okay, like this is the whole Google office, but this is like the YouTube section. So if you come up these stairs, you'll go into the kitchen, but first I'm going to show you a little bit of the YouTube music stuff we have going on. So this is the really cool part of the office. We have all these really big milestones in music that are like framed on the walls. This area is very like YouTubeified and super cool. YouTube music is a huge part of the business, so it's very exciting. And then in here we have our micro kitchen. So these are like every like 100 or 200 feet in Google, like across the whole company. This is the YouTube micro kitchen. We have all these snacks in these drawers. Most of them are really healthy, but they are very good. And I have my favorites. And then we have the kitchen, or the fridges, which have a lot of different sparkling water. And then they have that little foam on the bottom because the more unhealthy drinks are down there, lol. Then we have coffee, water, lots of different snacks, cereal, trail mix. And then in those like silver cans is candy because they like to keep it hidden. Then back here is a little workspace. I really like working over here. It's my favorite because it has great lighting and the view of like Little Island and more YouTube music stuff. So hope you enjoyed this. Okay, baddies, I hope you enjoyed that little tour of the YouTube office. I'm going to tell you sort of what I do on a Friday, and it's like a work day. I have a no meeting rule on Mondays and Fridays, or minimal meetings on Mondays and Fridays, because Mondays, like, I just feel like I need to be in that zone of getting things ready for the week, and Fridays I don't want to work very hard. I just had a meeting, you know, some things can't be rescheduled, and I have another one at 2, so I have about 3 hours. One thing, a bunch of things that need to get approvals, and I can't, it's not very good practice to send approvals approvals out on Fridays because it gets lost in people's inboxes. They're not really paying attention. So I like to send them for Monday mornings. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna review some of the creative work I have. That's just what I'm doing. What I'm gonna tell you to do every Friday, no matter what your job is, no matter what you work in, anything. One is a brag book. I've talked about brag books before on my channel about how important it is to be sure that you're keeping track of your successes, your negatives, your relationships, etc. So once a week, I like to open my brag book, reflect on the week, and say, hey, did I get any positive feedback this week, negative feedback this week? Did I have any realizations this week? Where do I want to, put them down? And just like put 10 minutes on my calendar to do this, because otherwise I won't do it, and then we'll get to performance review season and everything will be forgotten and you'll forget all the work you did. So next, I like to get to inbox zero. So I'm an inbox zero type of person where I have folders for all of my different work streams and communications, and I like to delete things. So right now I have like 80 unread emails, and so I'm going to go through all of those and categorize them properly, so when I open my inbox on Monday, it's all fresh emails. And finally, the last thing I like to do on Fridays is like industry scoping out, like what's happening in whatever industry I'm working in. So it used to be that I worked in YouTube ads, so I would look at the different products, the ads, stuff that was coming out. Now I work at YouTube in the creator space, so I listen to a few podcasts. I like Creator Upload, Colin and Samir show, to see what's happening with other creators. And then I also subscribe to a variety of internal and external newsletters, including eMarketer, TechCrunch, Legion's newsletter. So I like to review those Fridays as well, just so I can have a fresh perspective on what's going on. And I'll do a little calendar audit for next week and see what I've got going on, move around any meetings that aren't looking good, and try to ensure I have enough time for whatever tasks I know I need to get done next week, and write out those priorities. So that is a little bit of what I do every Friday, just to ensure I'm set up for the week. Sometimes I do this on Thursdays, but that's really what it is. Hope you enjoyed this, and then we'll get to the rest of my day.